Very good morning, dear students. It's me, Danish, Faculty of Social Science. Hope you are doing well. Dear students, today I have restarted the chapter Development, and today I am going to describe three very important questions. So, dear students, first question is, how do we compare different countries or states on developmental line? So, dear students, these are three very important points, and one by one I will describe it. You know that development is a comprehensive term that includes improvement in living standard of people. It ensures good health, higher education, freedom, dignity, respect, peace, security. There is no doubt that income is one of the most important attributes of development. If income of one certain country is better than income of another country, that country with higher income would be considered more developed than other. But apart from income, health is very important. The country is having more income in comparison of other country but lacks in healthcare, that country won't be called more developed than the other country. Haryana is the best example. Although income of Haryana is better than income of Kerala, but Kerala has good healthcare than Haryana. But health is also not the ultimate thing. Okay. So next is education. So education is also one of the most important features of development. If country is having good education system, it means that that country is having good human resources. Kerala has set good examples in this regard. Although income of Kerala is less than income of Haryana, but it has better health and education system. That marks the difference. So dear students, now I am going to describe question number 2. So question number 2 is, what is per capita income and how does it help us to classify countries as rich or poor? So dear students, per capita income refers to average income earned by every person living in a specific country or any certain state of a country. Okay, it is calculated by dividing total income of a country or state by its population. Okay, and you know that income is one of the most important features of development. So concept of per capita income that helps us to classify countries as rich or poor. So first point is per capita income 12 United States dollar rich. And according to World Bank, people living in a particular country earn 12,056 United States dollar in 1 year. That is equal to 8,80,154 Indian rupees. So that country will be considered as a rich country. Okay, in more simple words, a country where a monthly salary of people is around 70,000 rupees. So a country, in more simple words, a country where monthly salary of people is around 73,000 will be a rich country. Okay, next one is per capita income 955 USD poor. So on other hand, if people living in a particular country earn 955 United States dollar in 1 year, that is equal to 69,683 rupees, that country will be considered a poor country. Okay, let me simplify this. A country where monthly salary of people is around 6,000. So in a simple word, a country where monthly salary of people is around 6,000 Indian rupees is a poor country. Now question arises, India is either rich or poor country according to World Bank estimation. So India, India low middle income 1820 USD per capita income. So I am going to describe this line. So India is neither rich or poor country, rather it is low middle income country, because people living in India earn 1820 United States dollar. 1820 United States dollar. Okay. So people living in India earn 1820 United States dollar per year. That is equal to 11,000 Indian rupees. That is equal to 11,000 Indian rupees per month. So therefore, India is neither a poor country nor rich country. I hope that you understood this question. Now I am going to describe last question. Why is Kerala considered more developed than Haryana? In spite of that, average income of Keralites is less than the people of Haryana. Okay. So, dear students, income is one of the most favored attributes of development, but it is not optimum standard or fixed yardstick to measure development of a country or state. It is fact that people living in Haryana earn around 15,000 rupees per month. That is more than people living in Kerala earn monthly. According to a report published in 2015, monthly income of people living in Kerala is around 13,600 rupees. That is less than the income of Haryanvi people. But apart from that, Kerala is considered more developed than Haryana. Why? Because these are three very important points. High infant mortality rate. So because healthcare of Kerala is far better than Haryana, as 30 children die out of every 1,000 birth in Haryana, but this number is very less. Only 10 children, only 10 children die out of every 1,000 live birth in Kerala due to improved basic health facilities and care. Second point is low literacy rate, 82% versus 94%. So Kerala is also far better than Haryana in terms of education as well. According to census conducted in 2011, literacy rate of Kerala is higher than Haryana. Around 94% of Keralites are literate, but only 82% people can read and write in Haryana. Next one is low net attendance ratio, 61 versus 83. Net attendance ratio is also very good in Kerala. In comparison to Haryana, 83 out of every 100 Keralite whose age is around 15 years are studying in school. But this number is very less in Haryana, as only 61 out of 100 Haryanvi people are getting education or admitted in any school. So this number is very less in Haryana, as only 61 out of 100 Haryanvis are getting education or admitted in any school. On the basis of that, we can say that although Kerala is having lower income, but it has surpassed Haryana in terms of education and health. That is the reason why Kerala is considered more developed than Haryana. In spite of that, average income of Keralites is less than the people of Haryana. So dear students, I hope that you understood all the points very well. So thank you. Bye for now.